Stop scrolling! Tara, solve natin tong passport exam problem.
Okay, we have here a trust. Tapos, pag tinignan mo yung questions, kailangan natin ng mga influence line para sa trust members. Okay? Tingnan natin, how many influence lines do we need to draw? Lahat naman sila puro FG. Okay? So, we only need to draw the influence line for force FG. Now take note, how do we solve for force FG when we are analyzing a truss? We cut here, diba? And then all forces will be exposed. Okay? By convention, we try to assume everything to be in tension, all exposed forces. So that if it's negative, then it is in compression automatically. Now, to solve for FG, we take summation of moment at point B, right? So therefore, no, the equation that we need to consider is ito. If you take moment at B plus what? Yan, FG, force in FG times the moment arm, which is H, equal to 0. So therefore, this is force in FG is simply negative 1 over H of the moment at B. So what does that mean? We analyze this truss first like a beam and draw the influence line for moment at B. Tsaka natin i-apply to so that you can solve for FG. So for the influence line of the moment at B, considering Mueller-Breslow principle, parang sa ano lang, sa beam, diba? Release the moment, so para siyang internal hinge, then pull upwards. What will happen to the beam? It will look like this. Yan. No? Since this is in an influence line for the moment, okay, this is 4 meters, this is 12. So the ordinate here is 4 times 12 over 16. So we have 4 times 12 over 16, that is 3. Okay, so therefore, force in FG, and all we have to do is to multiply the ordinates, no? So magiging negative yan. Yan. So, based from the influence line, verified kaagad na yung force dito sa may top chord, laging compression. Okay, so this is 4 meters, 12 meters. Ngayon, yan, negative H. H is 5, no? So, 3 times negative 1 over 5. So, negative 0.6. So, therefore, for letter A, ito yung sagot, no? Maximum ordinate. For letter B, which length of the bridge should be loaded for maximum compressive stress? Lahat naman dito sa portion na to, compression. So, the highway load should be loaded along the whole span. So, 16 meters, matic. Then for letter C, to maximize the stress of FG, this time, where should be the concentrated highway load be located from point A? So kung saan ka ba maglalagay ng concentrated load dito? Doon na sa katapat ng pinakamalaking value, which is here, at point B. So the location of point B from support A, that's 4 meters.
Anong gusto niyong sagutan natin next? Comment down below. Follow this page for constant reminders to get back on track.